The Keychron K5 Max Ultra Slim keyboard delivers a full-size layout in a very low-profile body, so it feels closer to a laptop board while still giving you true mechanical switches. Its tri-mode connectivity lets you switch effortlessly among high-speed 2.4 GHz wireless, Bluetooth, and wired Type-C, which makes it flexible enough for both desk setups and travel bags. Support for QMK and VIA means you can deeply customize layouts, shortcuts, and macros across Mac, Windows, and Linux without being locked into the factory key map. The hot-swappable low-profile Gateron switches are noticeably thinner and faster than standard mechanical switches, yet can be swapped in seconds to fine-tune feel without any soldering. Thick PBT keycaps and solid internal construction give the keyboard a sturdier, more premium typing feel than many other slim boards in this size class. Layered acoustic and support foams help keep keystrokes quieter and more cushioned, which is especially helpful if you share a workspace or type for long stretches.